The next type of memoir that we're going to be working on are called text memoirs. And the reason is there's a certain number of characters this time you can use. It's not words, it's characters, which those of you who are savvy enough by now should know that that means letters, it means spaces, it means symbols, punctuation marks, all those things, okay? And here's an example of a funny one. I mean, if the person that you have saved in your phone is your ex, I'm not sure you want to be texting them. Why? Here's what happens. So, do you still have feelings for me? Well, yeah. Aw, me too. Like hatred, disappointment, anger, you know, stuff like that. Oh, yeah. Pretty lame, huh? You think that's lame? What is this? Well, no, this is a word from our sponsor. You need to know that we are following Common Core Standard 8.3 in writing, which is to write narratives, to develop real, it says, or imagined, in this case they're going to be real, experiences, writing real experiences or events using effective technique. We're going to be talking about effective techniques. Relevant descriptive details, we'll get into those, and well-structured event sequences. We'll mention all those things when we're doing our drafting of our memoirs, all right? But I just want you to have this in your head now, and we'll refer to it again a few times throughout this time so that you understand, why am I writing a memoir? Well, it's one of the standards, so enjoy it. No, it is one of the standards, but it's something that I'm hoping you'll have a good time creating. Oh, wait a minute, on to text memoirs. How many characters do text memoirs have to be? They have to be less than 160, right? Yes, they do. So, just to make it easy, I'm going to count only the letters as we go. So when I wrote my first one, which I'll call A, here's two of my examples. Oh, by the way, in your writer's notebook, if you have room underneath your 6-word memoirs, if they're written up here, go ahead and add them here. If you need to create a new page, create a new page. Just make sure you write text memoirs above the ones you're going to do. So the first one was the cabin, playing football in the street, Hot Wheels down the driveway, wiffle ball in the backyard. So some of my fond memories when I was a kid. 34, 71, I'm adding them up as I go along. My second one, what do I want to be when I grow up? I thought I wanted to be a forest ranger. Ended up being a teacher. One door closed, another opened. I'm good with that. That was 114. Okay, so 160 is actually quite a bit when you get up there. And although it doesn't seem like it when you're texting your friend, does it? All of a sudden you keep running out of room. Go figure. So how many do I want? Let's just come up with 2, okay? If you can do 2, that's great. That's what's expected. If you want to do more than 2, do more than 2. But keep them in your writer's notebook. Alrighty? Enjoy. And one more thing I wanted to say. Boy, I hope nobody turned it off yet. Look, the video's still playing. Keep listening. Oh, sorry. What do you want to write down for your text memoirs? Again, just whatever, how you're feeling this day. Something that happened in your life last summer, a couple weeks ago. You could take one of your 6-word memoirs and expand on it, all right? Just make them real, make them about yourself. If you want to make a big list of things, that's fine too.